Peace, what's going on, crew? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video for today. Today we have the Motorola Moto One /P30 Play right here, and you can see it has really nice glass back here. Fingerprint has the logo on it. You can see the cameras with the LED right there. You can see power button right here and volume rocker on one side, and then you do get the SIM remover tool on this side with those really loud stereo soundings. You get one here and a microphone on the other side, Type-C charging, but this has Dolby audio. You also do get a headphone jack and microphone. Now let's go ahead and look at this case right here. It does say mobile phone case, the ultimate experience. You can see right here there is customizing, it says right here, and it says fashion design case, personality case, 360 protection. Then you can see at the top it does say P30 Play, and right here best quality case, mobile accessories. So you can see right here this is going to be compatible for the Motorola One /P30. You can see right here it says thank you for your order. So you know, I did purchase this from Amazon. I'll leave a link down below. You can see it does come with this little film inside. It does say the ultimate experience One /P30 Play. So that actually does look pretty dope. You can see right here how the light hits it. That looks pretty cool. So you do see it does have that power button, volume rockers, camera cutout, fingerprint, auto focus, ultimate experience. You can see the carbon fiber on it, which is really cool. Then it has this really rubberized texture, which is grippy. You can see the sweat goes on it, and then you can see this is the carbon fiber texture on the back. So it's just got some pretty cool layers on here. You can see those cutouts right there. Then at the bottom you get the rubber again, but on the sides it's all TPU like rubber. Let's go ahead and put the Motorola One in here and see how that actually fits. So 1, 2, and then 3. So that's just in there really nicely. Wow, that looks cool. That's how it looks with the cutouts. You can see right here there's nothing there. On this side we do get the buttons. Let's go ahead and try the fingerprint sensor. So that was actually pretty cool. Let me deactivate that window. Let's try that one more time. I could get a vibration when you hit it, so that's really cool. Let's mess around with the volume rockers. Work perfectly fine. Power button, everything looks really cool here. So definitely think this is going to provide some really good 360 protection, as they did promote here on the packaging. So that's definitely going to be pretty cool. But thank you guys for watching. It's your boy Serrano. Make sure you stay tuned for more videos just like this. Thank you for staying locked in with me, and in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, depending where you are. Have a great night. Later, crew. Peace.